Why is understanding car insurance coverage essential for teens? Imagine getting behind the wheel for the first time and not knowing what happens if you get into an accident. It might sound scary, but understanding car insurance can make all the difference. When teens start driving, they face new responsibilities, and knowing how insurance works is a big part of that. Car insurance helps cover costs if you cause damage to someone else's car or property, or if someone gets hurt. It also protects your own vehicle if it gets damaged in an accident or by weather. Since teens tend to be involved in more accidents because of inexperience, knowing how insurance works helps them make smarter choices. First, it's important to know the main types of coverage. Liability coverage is usually required by law and pays for damage or injuries you cause to others. Collision coverage helps pay for repairs to your own car after an accident, even if you are at fault. Comprehensive coverage protects against things like theft, vandalism, or weather damage. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage is there if you get hit by someone who doesn't have enough insurance or none at all. Understanding these terms helps teens see what protections they have and what risks they might face. Second, knowing about car insurance helps families make better decisions. Many teens are added to their parents' insurance policy, which can be cheaper and offer better coverage than buying a separate one. It's also good to understand how driving habits affect costs. For example, if a teen gets traffic tickets or causes accidents, their insurance premiums can go up. This knowledge encourages safer driving and helps teens see the importance of following traffic laws. Third, understanding insurance is part of becoming responsible. It teaches teens about managing money, like paying premiums and deductibles. It also makes them aware of legal requirements, such as carrying proof of insurance when driving. If they're involved in an accident, knowing what steps to take, like reporting it to the insurance company and understanding what costs will be covered, can make a stressful situation easier. In the end, knowing how car insurance works helps teens protect themselves legally and financially. It encourages safer driving, teaches money management skills, and prepares them for real-life situations. This knowledge is a key step toward independence and confidence when they are on the road.